Right, so we're gonna log in and show you it as a candidate. Right, so when you go to setup and then portal careers website, you've got this link. So you can share it wherever you want, but we can have this link. So I'm just going to copy this link, and then because I'm logged in here, it may cause issues. So let me go over to a different browser, paste and go. So now this is your job opportunity board. You can obviously spruce it up. The header's not great on the list, but a candidate would log in or come to the portal, see that I've already applied. It already remembers me. Let me sign out. I've been testing it. So when somebody comes, they'll see your job board and look at jobs available. You can be able to select it by department, by whatever you want to share, right? So you can create a separate page for each one. What you would really share is the application page, and then post that to Facebook or whatever you would do, right? So here is that job, right? Fire alarm technician, full time at Z1 Trial, which is the company. Job information, Doncaster. Here's the spiel and information, right? Here's the money, dependent experience. Apply now. So I'm going to apply. What am I going to call? I don't know, Mark. Right. So Mark at paulnicholson.com, and I'm going to sign up. So it's going to ask me. So I'm going to say Mark Nicholson. Phone number I'm going to leave blank. So I've just got an email saying you need to sign up. Doncaster province. You obviously don't have to fill everything out. Fire alarm guru. Ninja. I know you guys like ninjas. Educational. You can add your resume here, cover letter, everything you need to apply for a job. And you are in. It didn't ask me for the. I wondered if I'd set the pre-screening question up properly. So now what we're getting. This is Mark's email. This is here. Sign up to register. So you would just click that link, but because Safari is not my default browser, account confirmation, right? Add a password. And update. And you're in. Let me just go to this one and show you this one. Let's apply for this job. And it remembers your information. And we're going to go next. Because this one's got the pre-screening form. Are you currently employed? No. What is your highest level of education? College. Are you 18? Yes. Don't need to fill out what you're interested in. Love fire. So I'm not gonna go through it and slow you down, right? But this is the screening questionnaire that you can obviously create whatever you want it to say for whatever job you're hiring for. So that is the candidate applying for the job, and here's Harry, who's in charge. There's Harry HR, who's in charge. This is being noticed that a candidate has applied for a job. So now that we've had an email saying that we've got an application, right? So that is how somebody applies for the job once it's posted.